Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue press security and we will start Linux fundamentals. Okay, we start Linux fundamentals part 1. Introduction. Let's get started. Okay, check a bit of background on Linux. Research. What year was the first release of a Linux operating system? 1991 year. Okay. Interacting with your first Linux machine in browser. Okay. Start machine. Okay. Check. I have deployed my first Linux machine. Running your first Linux commands. Okay, if you want to output the track me, what would our command be? Okay. Show split view, and we must wait for our Linux machine. But we can say this. Our answer is echo track me, and we can check it. Echo try hack me track me. Okay, our command is that. What is the username of who you are logged is in as on your deployed Linux machine. Okay, who am I? Our command is that who am I, and our username is that track me. Interacting with the file system. On the Linux machine that you deploy, how many folders are there? Firstly, we must move to root folder, and our root folder is that. And we use the ls command, and we can say that our folders is these. Okay, and we have 4 folders. Which directory contains a file? And cd folder 1 and ls. There is not any file. Okay, cd folder cd. Firstly pwd, and we must move to track me. Cd track me. What? No, cd root directory. Cd folder 2 ls. Also there is no any file, and we must back to root. Also sorry. cd folder 3 ls. There is no any file. Okay, cd root cd folder 2 d4. ls. Yes, our file is in folder 4. What is the contents of this file? And we must use the command of cat. Cat not.txt. Hello world. Use the cd command to navigate to this file and find out the new current working directory. What is the path? We must use pwd command for see the path. Pwd. And our path is that home, try hackme folder for searching for files. Use the grep access log to find the flag that has a prefix of thm. What is the flag? Note, the access log file is located in the home try-hackme directory. Okay. Firstly, we move to root folder and we should write thm and access log. Yes, our flag is that thm access. No answer needed. An introduction to shell operators. Okay. If you wanted to run a command in the background, what operator would we want to use? We must use this operator for the run a command in the background. If we wanted to replace the contents of a file named passwords with the word passwords 123, what would my command be? Okay. We used echo and password 123, and if we use this command once, the older file is deleted and only there is located new file. Example, passwords. Okay, now hackme to this file named passwords, but also keep passwords 123. What would my command be? Okay, if we use this command, there is only new file and our older file is deleted. But if we use this command, okay, I will show it. Try hack me passwords. The older file will be located and our new file is added to our older file, and in this situation our older file will be not deleted. Okay, no answer needed. Conclusions and summaries. I will have a play around, check. Okay, we solved this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.